Hello and welcome. Today we will listen to simple English conversations, speak slowly, understand better, take notes. Let's start. Hi Marie, it's so nice to see you here in the park today. How have you been lately? S1. Hello John, how are you today? I always enjoy running into you when I come here for a walk. It feels like it's been a while since we last caught up, doesn't it? The park is looking beautiful today, and it's always better when you can share it with a friend. Yes, the weather is very nice. The sun is shining and there's a gentle breeze that makes it perfect for spending time outdoors. I love days like this when the sky is clear and everyone seems to be in a good mood. What did you do this morning? S1. I'm fine too. It's a sunny day. I took a little walk before meeting you just to enjoy the fresh air and listen to the birds. It's amazing how a bit of sunshine can lift your spirits. My favorite fruit is strawberries. I love how sweet and juicy they are, especially when they're in season. Sometimes I like to add them to my breakfast or just eat them as a snack during the day. And you? S2 sounds good. I love fresh fruits. There's something so refreshing about eating fruit, especially on a warm day like today. I also enjoy sharing fruit with friends during a picnic or just while sitting and chatting. What is your favorite fruit? S1. I always find it interesting to hear what fruits other people like. Some people prefer tropical fruits while others like apples or berries. For me, strawberries remind me of summer and happy times with family and friends. What about you? Do you have a fruit that brings back good memories or that you just can't resist? I went to the supermarket this morning. I bought some fruits and vegetables because I want to eat healthier and try new recipes. The supermarket was busy, but I managed to find some really fresh produce. I picked up some bananas, apples, and even a few avocados. I also got some vegetables for making a salad later. Shopping for fresh food always makes me feel inspired to cook something delicious at home. Good luck! You are very motivated. I admire your dedication to learning English. It's not always easy to study a new language, but you always seem so determined. S2. I need to study English. I have set a goal for myself to practice every day, even if it's just for a little while. Sometimes I read books, other times I watch movies or listen to music in English. It helps me improve and keeps me motivated. And later I will go to the gym. I try to stay active because it helps me feel better and gives me more energy. S1. I think it's important to balance studying with exercise. After spending some time learning, I like to go for a run or do some yoga. It clears my mind and helps me focus better when I return to my studies. Plus, going to the gym is a great way to meet new people and make friends who share similar interests. Yes, bananas are great. They are not only tasty, but also very convenient. I often take a banana with me when I'm in a hurry or need a quick snack. They're easy to carry and you don't need any utensils to eat them. Plus, they give you a boost of energy, which is perfect before or after a workout. I also like to add bananas to my smoothies or slice them over my cereal in the morning. What are your plans for today? S2. After our chat, I'm planning to spend some time at the library to study. I find it easier to concentrate there because it's quiet and there are fewer distractions. Later, I might meet up with another friend for coffee. I also want to take a walk in the park again before the sun sets. It's important for me to make time for both work and relaxation. So I try to plan my day accordingly. I like bananas. They are easy to eat and they remind me of my childhood. My parents used to pack bananas in my lunchbox, and I would always look forward to eating them during break time at school. Now, as an adult, I still enjoy them just as much. Sometimes I even bake banana bread when I have extra ripe bananas at home. It's a simple recipe, but it always tastes delicious and makes the house smell wonderful. Thank you, Marie. It's always a pleasure to talk with you and share stories about our day. I feel lucky to have a friend like you who listens and encourages me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to our next meeting. Let's keep supporting each other as we work towards our goals and enjoy the little moments in life. See you soon. Hey, do you want to go out this evening? I was thinking it might be nice to spend some time together after a long week. It's always fun to catch up and relax with friends, especially when the weather is so pleasant. What do you think? Are you free tonight, or do you have other plans? Maybe we could try a cozy cafe or perhaps a small restaurant nearby. There are so many great places in the neighborhood, it's hard to choose. I'm open to suggestions if you have a favorite spot in mind. S2. Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Where do you want to go? Do you have any place in particular you've been wanting to try? A cafe sounds perfect to me. I've been craving a hot chocolate all week, and there's something so comforting about sitting in a warm cafe with friends. Maybe we can find a place with some delicious pastries too. What about you? Do you want something sweet, or maybe just a cup of tea or coffee to unwind? So at what time should we meet? I'm pretty flexible this evening, so just let me know what works for you. S1. Yummy. I think I'll have a tea. Maybe we can share a dessert too. What do you think about meeting a bit earlier, or is later better for you? Perfect. That sounds great. Where should we meet? S1. How about at 6 p.m? That gives us plenty of time to relax and enjoy the evening. If you prefer a different time, just let me know. I'm looking forward to it. Good, let's meet at 6 p.m. in front of the library. It's easy to find and we can walk to the cafe from there. S1 sounds perfect. I'll see you at the library entrance. I can't wait to catch up and enjoy a relaxing evening together. See you later. I'm really looking forward to our outing. It's always special to spend time with good friends, share stories, and make new memories. Let's make this evening a great one. Thank you. It's always such a pleasure to spend time at this cafe with friends. The atmosphere here is so warm and inviting, and the staff always make us feel welcome. I really appreciate how attentive everyone is, and it's nice to see familiar faces every time we visit. Sharing a laugh and a good conversation over coffee is one of life's simple joys. Here are your drinks. Enjoy. That sounds fun. There's something special about the way a hot drink brings people together, especially on a chilly day. Whether it's a creamy cappuccino, a fragrant tea, or a rich hot chocolate, each cup seems to spark a new story or a shared memory. I love watching everyone's faces light up as their favorite drinks arrive. I will stay in the city, maybe watch a movie. There's always something happening downtown, and tonight feels perfect for a little adventure. I might stroll through the bustling streets, take in the sights and sounds, and then catch a film I've been wanting to see. Sometimes a solo movie night is just what I need to unwind and recharge. I will visit my family. And you? Spending time with loved ones is so important, and I cherish every opportunity to reconnect. Whether we're sharing a meal, telling stories, or simply enjoying each other's company, these moments mean the world to me. Family gatherings always fill my heart with warmth and gratitude. So, Marie, what are your plans for the weekend? I'm curious to hear what you have in mind. Maybe you have something exciting planned, or perhaps you're looking forward to a quiet, relaxing break. Either way, weekends are the perfect time to do what makes you happy, whether that's exploring new places or simply taking it easy. Your drinks will be ready soon. That's all, thank you. No, thank you, of course. Anything else? The service here is always so friendly and efficient. It's nice to know that whatever we need, the staff are happy to help. Sometimes it's the little exchanges, like a smile or a kind word, that make the experience memorable. I want a hot chocolate, please. There's nothing quite like a rich, velvety hot chocolate to warm you up and satisfy your sweet tooth. It's my go-to treat, especially when I want to indulge a little. The creamy texture and the hint of cocoa always bring back fond childhood memories. I would like a tea, please. Sometimes a soothing cup of tea is all you need to relax and unwind. Whether it's green, black or herbal, tea has a way of calming the mind and bringing a sense of peace. It's the perfect companion for a quiet moment or a thoughtful conversation. Good evening. Welcome. What would you like? No matter how many times I come here, I always feel at home. The warm greetings and friendly smiles make every visit special. It's more than just a cafe. It's a place where memories are made, friendships are strengthened, and every guest is treated like family. Great job! You listened to simple conversations. You practiced your English. Listen again, take notes, and speak slowly. See you next time.